Hola, it's your VA ate in Spain and I want to explain a little bit more about this question kasi ngayon nagkakaroon ng problem with cases of inadmission for processing yung mga nakakuha na nung 1 year digital nomad visa from the consulate sa pag-renew nila pagkarating nila dito for the 3 year from UHE. So, ang problem kasi is ngayon ang binibigay na nila na instruction is that you have to wait until 60 days before mag-expire nung visa mo. So, for example, dumating ka dito or validity ng visa mo starts at December, you have to wait until next year, before mag 60 days nung expiration ng visa mo before ka makapag-reapply for the 3 year approval. And this is concerning because before, pwedeng gamitin mo yung mga documents na ginamit mo sa consulate sa pag-apply for the 3 year kasi konti lang yung time difference minsan, konti lang yung mga kailangan i-renew like yung bank documents lang, invoices, ganyan. Pero now, if magre-renew ka and let's say particularly in your case, may mga documents especially for your dependents na nag-expire na and stuff like that, you have to get them again. Especially if kunyari nawalan ka ng client, pinalitan mo yung client mo, kailangan mong kunin lahat yon. However, meron din silang update, though it has not been tried out properly yet, na ang hinihingi na lang nila if magre-renew ka, assuming na nagbabayad ka ng Social Security and taxes already here in Spain kasi matagal ka na dito, magwa 1 year ka na. So that means meron ka ng TN, nakapag-register ka na for Social Security, you've been paying your taxes. So, ang kailangan na lang nila sa'yo is yung 1 month na invoices from these clients, assuming na same clients to from when you applied. Ayun, I hope this clears things up a little bit, but thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, maybe join the live that we have today at Friday, 7 p.m. Philippine time, or leave any of your comments down below and I'll try to get through them and answer them. Ayun, thank you so much guys. Ciao!